we have updates in the area of immigration. U.S. immigration crisis. Green card approvals falls to 3%. Additionally, a study reveals an alarming shortage of immigration lawyers amid an increase in asylum applicants. More on this and other news below.
Welcome to the Quiroga Law Office Weekly News section. This is a space where we share all the latest immigration updates. This is the most important immigration news of the week. We invite you to stay tuned.
Arizona proposed Texas-style immigration law, crime for illegal crossing. Arizona has introduced a bill named Arizona Invasion Act, which criminalizes illegal border crossing as a state offense, escalating to a felony to repeat offenses. Additionally, it proposed the state judge determine immigration status and issue deportations, similarly to recent Texas laws, raising the well-known debate over state jurisdiction in immigration matters. The law includes an immunity clause for agencies enforcing it, raising concerns among human rights defenders. Biden administration's drastically reduced immigration bonds amounts, a shift from the Trump era. The Biden administration has significantly reduced immigration bonds amounts, with an average of $3,000 compared to the $6,000, $8,000 during the Trump administration. This measure reflects a less restrictive and more humanitarian approach to immigration, though it raised concerns about the system effectiveness in ensuring immigrants' compliance with the court dates. Experts suggest higher bonds might encourage better compliance and call on Congress to review these policies. U.S. immigration crisis. Green card approvals fall to 3%. A report from the Cato Institute reveals that the green card approval rate in the U.S. has dropped to a historical low of 3% in 2024, marking a significant decrease from the 98% before 1921. Pending applications have surged from 10 to 34.7 million since 1996, with a projection of only 1.1 million green cards to be issued in 2024. The majority of applications come from the green card lottery, with increasing criticism towards the government for not issuing all available cards, missing out on 6.3 million since 1921. A recent study has shown change in the country's workforce, indicating that the increase in jobs has primarily benefited immigrants, with 2.9 million more working, in contrast to a decrease of 183,000 US-born workers. Meanwhile, the unemployment rate remained stable, highlighting a great impact on immigration on non-college educated workers and a higher labor participation among immigrant men.
This has been the news summary for this week, brought to you by Quiroga Law Office. Remember to follow us on our social media platforms. Don't forget to share this news recap so that the entire immigrant community can stay informed and up to date on the most relevant topics that matter to us, immigrants in the United States.